For this tool slash gaming tool, what this is a customizable, simple spin the wheel trivia activity tool. And I'm going to do a demonstration video to show you all the features of this tool, because this is used as it can either be used as a cumulative assessment or a quick assessment tool for any subject that you're teaching for any grade level. First thing I want to point out is that it has lo-fi music added to it. So we can just simply add this, turn this on or off. Okay. And you can also customize the game title to whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to name this Simple Science. And the science that I'm saying is off the top of my head right now, and I'm just going to be making up questions for demonstration purposes. So you can change the game title to anything that you want to. You can also change the player names. If you want to treat each player as a team, you could do team 1, team 2, or individual players, team 3. Or if your kids want to get creative, they could go cherry pie. If they want to name themselves team cherry pie, something, that could be that. All right, and there it is with that. So we have our customizable player names, and then we just add questions here. So now I'm going to add a question. We're in the editor mode right now, so I want to also show you that. So it says simple science. You know, I'm not even going to even ask science questions unless they're silly. So we'll just go as why is gas green? Answer, it is because it is aerial. That doesn't make any sense, but I don't care right now. This right here is going to be your score. So you can make your questions whatever score that you want to. So this is the question, this is the answer, and you can make this score whatever you want to. So you could assign a different score per question, customizable. So we'll make this 25. And this is your seconds. You can make this as many seconds as you want to. So we'll leave it at 10 seconds because they'll have 10 questions or 10 seconds to answer the question. Okay. So why is grass green? If you made a mistake and you need to go back and edit the question, just simply go back and edit it. And then you just click update. All right. And then we'll add another question here. What makes a school a school? Question mark. Nothing. All right, and we'll leave this at 25 points, 10 seconds. Again, I'm just making this up because I want to show you the functionality of this. Why is the sky blue? Because of God. Leave that at the same 25. Actually, you know what? Good God question. We'll make that 100. There we go. And let's add one more question here. What type of street is best for bikes? Asphalt. Okay. Now, just to let you know that this is a question tool that is not multiple choice. This is open-ended. Okay. It's based on anything that you've already taught a student, and you're trying to assess to see what do they already know without having to have a list of choices to choose from. If you would like a tool just like this, but with multiple choice, let me know, send me an email, and that tool will be created. So we'll go ahead and make this 25 points, 10 seconds. Go to add, and now let's actually get the game started. Okay, here we are. We're on our wheel. The title again is Simple Science. I'm going to toggle this on right now. Okay. Well, actually, that music can get in the way. I'm just going to talk. If you want to just actually play this and you can turn the volume down, you can. But that's the music that is to be played. It's only one selection right now, so there's not different songs that you can listen to. So right now we're on team number 1. So let's go ahead and let's spin the wheel. You can just click on it, makes that sound. Doesn't spin long, slows down. Why is the sky blue? Because of God. Oh, yay, I got it right. So I'm going to go to correct, and it automatically reveals the correct answer because I just got it correct. Okay. So now we see you got 100 points. And as you can see here, the questions are removed and the colors expand of the remaining questions. So now we're going to go here. So now you got 10 seconds. Why is the grass green? Oh, I don't know. The typical student answer, especially middle school. That's what I teach. So we're just going to go ahead and click wrong. Actually, let's let this go out. Time's up. You heard the buzzer. Okay. Then we just click wrong. Okay. And it'll reveal the answer anyway. You can just also reveal the answer too if you don't want to click wrong. But if you click correct, right, or wrong, this is what's going to happen. You need to make sure that's clicked. Okay, that person is going to lose those amount of points. Okay, they're going to lose and be in a negative for that. So let's go ahead and let's go this. Okay. It also tells you the potential points per question in case if you was worried about that. What makes a school a school? Again, I don't know. They get this wrong. Okay. So next round, 25 points. And then after this, what type of street is best for bikes? Asphalt. Okay, good. So even if I hit reveal answer, all right, I'm going to hit correct. That stops the timer. Go to the next round. So I got 100 points. Okay. So now team 1 wins. We hear the fireworks. I got 100 points for that God question, 25 for cherry pie. Finish game, finish game. Now, this game does not come with any tiebreakers, okay? There's no tiebreakers right now. It's little time to actually incorporate that and to keep the code simple. If you want to do a tiebreaker or have a tiebreaker round, you could just restart it and just maybe have them answer a new question, okay, after that, and then just go from there if you're trying to do some tiebreakers. So I'll let you guys improvise. So you go to click finish game. All right, and they have a choice to either play again or start new game. If you go to start new, well, if you simply go to play again, it's just going to go back to the other questions that you just answered. Go to start new game. We can go ahead and we can delete everything here, okay? And we can just go ahead and change all of this up, and we can just go ahead and restart a new game. Right now, there's no button to do a hard reset on everything, just cleaning everything out. So if you just go to start new game, maybe that was intentional. Maybe you just want to go and you just want to adjust the question here or there, whatever the case may be. But this is what you can use this tool for if you're trying to do a very, different set of engagement with your students in order for them to answer the questions and gain points in a very simplified, gamified environment. If you have questions, be sure to send me an email at info@deshaunjohnson.com.